Hello, we are 기른실 오예진, Univ 김정희, and we implemented the laptop recommendation web service Laptopia as a project for the 2021 spring semester of database class. Now we will explain our project. The problem we found is as follows. In university students, most of the classes' assignments and hobbies are used by laptops. Moreover, in the current situation where offline classes have become difficult due to corona, laptops are essential to take classes online. However, the types and functions of laptops are increasing, and it is becoming difficult for people who do not have sufficient knowledge of laptop specifications to find the appropriate laptop for themselves. If you look at the sites that college students use to buy laptops, you can easily find these problems. First of all, it's a neighbor shopping site. This site has the advantage of describing the delivery and benefits, but only a small amount of information is available. Therefore, even if the user wants to find the appropriate laptop for their purpose, it is difficult to check the detailed specifications easily. Next is the Danawa website. This site offers detailed search capabilities, but to take full advantage of them, you need to understand some difficult terms, such as CPU type featuring or thread meaning. Lastly, it's Lenovo's official website. Although this site recommends laptops according to their use, it is difficult for users to compare laptops of various brands because it only recommends laptops for its brand. Also, the number of products is too small to be credible. Therefore, existing laptop purchasing sites are difficult for users who do not know the detailed specifications of laptop to use. So, our project creates a convenient way for college students to find suitable laptops for their purposes. Our final offering, Laptopia, is trying to solve the difficulties of college students who want to buy a new laptop with the following 5 features. The first function is to allow users to find laptops that fit their major in Handong Global University. To implement this, we've set the minimum specifications for laptops based on the programs mainly used by each major. After that, if the user enters his or her major and searches, the user can find the laptops based on that criteria. The second function is to find laptops suitable for their hobbies. To make this, we categorize the students' hobbies into games, streaming, investment, and so on, and set minimum specifications for each. After that, if a user enters his or her hobby and searches, the site will show the results of the corresponding notebooks. Apart from the major and hobby, we created a separate class as a third, which is called Use Tool, so that users can choose the appropriate laptop for the program they use. We've set the minimum specifications required for some programs that people usually use. This is intended for later scalability, which was created in consideration of program diversity. At the last recommendation, it allows users to view the ranking according to their usage records. Users can know which products were clicked a lot, which products were pressed a lot, and ranked in the most important order of price. It allows users to select a product or press like to automatically reflect it on the web. Additionally, it also created a function that allows users to select specifications directly. It may be similar to existing recommendation sites or sales sites, but it has reduced the selection by excluding specifications of names that are difficult for beginners to understand or information that is not necessary. Users who want to choose more details can use the Danawa site, so we add the link to the page. Next, I will explain the sequence of constructing a data. Overall, the project was carried out in 4 stages. Data was collected, organized, placed in the database, and a web was created to link to the determined data. First, we selected Danawa site and extracted it in the form of an Excel file using a crawling web software called Octopus. After collecting the data, we selected important factors and refined the irregularly scattered informations into some categories, and finished by manipulating according to the normal form. So we formed a database schema like this using Workbench. At last, our website is implemented by these tools. Then, now we will show how to use the website.
Now we will show you our demonstration part. The page on the screen is the homepage of the website Laptopia created by our team. On the current page, users can choose between two menus, Recommend and Select. If you don't have enough knowledge about laptops and you want a laptop that works for you through this site, press Recommend. If you want a laptop with sufficient knowledge, you can press Select. This site provides various pages and functions, as you can see by clicking the sidebar. First of all, on the Recommend page, users can enter their information such as major, hobby, program they want to use, price, and weight. Then, this page will show the result. In Select page, they can select the different specifications of the laptop, and this page will show the result. On the description page, each function is described in a way that makes it easier to understand for users who lack knowledge of laptops. We set blob type for images. There are also linking page and history pages. To this end, we are currently working on it for developing history page using like function with trigger. Next, we will show you how our users actually use Laptopia through two scenarios. First of all, the user of the first scenario is a student of the Department of Counseling Psychology and Social Welfare who want to purchase a new laptop. Knowing little about laptop specifications, he wants his new laptop to be easy to play computer game, but not too expensive. He will not use any professional program, and he does not pay much attention to the weight. So, this user will go to the recommend page because he doesn't have the knowledge to choose his laptop. After that, he will choose his major, counseling psychology department, and choose a game that is main purpose of use. He will not care about professional programs, and he chooses the price at 1.2 million won. And he doesn't care about the weight, so he set it to the maximum and press the submit button. As a result, he will see the following results, and if he is interested in any of the recommended laptops, he can go to the sales site. If he is curious about laptop specifications on the results screen, he can go to the description page via the sidebar to read the descriptions. The following scenario is about a student who is now in the Department of Content Convergence Design. The student has sufficient knowledge of the laptop and wants to find the laptop she wants. In this case, she will go to the select page on the home page and select her own CPU, GPU, RAM, etc. Currently, this student is looking for the latest MacBook, so she chooses Silicon M1 on the CPU and Apple on the GPU. Other than that, she doesn't care about it and just set the price up to 2 million won and the weight up to 1.5 kilogram. Then she will get the following result. Until now, we show you how our website works through two scenarios. This website is based on AWS EC2 Ubuntu server, so if you want to visit our site, you can visit via link. Thank you for watching our presentation video.